I will have me a Bugs way after they stop making them. I'm gonna still have me a Bugs in my collections. Probably 10 years from now, I'll be doing the 10-year anniversary video of the Bugs 3. What's up, guys? It's your boy djsoulforce. You can see I came out to do some running today and do a little jump practice. I also brought a drone with me today, guys, because it's such a gorgeous day today. I gotta get me some stick time in, or some real actual flight time in before before I lose all the feathers in my my wings. So I wanted something I can pull out of the car, set it up, just the quad and the transmitter. No firmware updates or no gyro compass calibration dance or no apps or nothing like that. Remember, this is the Bugs 3, the OG original Bugs 3, guys, which was classed as a sport camera bird. So I have my Mobius Mini on the bottom of it, guys, set up for 1080p at 60 frames per second. Let me turn this transmitter on so they can bind. We are recording. We are bound. Both sticks out. My bad. And see, that's the reason why I brought the Bugs to fly today, guys. Over the past year or two, all the drones I've flown, or all the drones I've reviewed, have been either altitude hold or GPS or smart intelligent drones that can do this and that and all the other. And it's been a while since I've flown the Bugs 3, just a totally manual drone. Look at that thing just soaring through the air right now. She's a sport camera bird, no intelligent features. All stick commands are manual. I probably should have calibrated that gyro in her. It's been a while since I've flown it, but look how smooth. And this qualifies me now to put 2 more feathers back in my hat, because I haven't flown in a while, but I chose the Bugs to bring out to get recertified. Let me go ahead and kill those motors. Put her on a level surface. I'm gonna pull, let's make sure I can see the lights. Both sticks down to the left, I believe. If not, I'll do both sticks down to the right. Everything that can be calibrated has been calibrated. And it's that simple, guys. Now, let's go shoot some video. Because remember, the Bugs 3 had pretty good range for a toy grade sport bird. So there's no magic return to home button on this thing. You do have to keep your eyes on it during every maneuver just to make sure you are have the correct orientation. Hit the 1 button, flip button. Yeah, there we go. You know what, guys? I may be in the slow speed. It's been so long since I've flown this bird. I've forgotten the 2 or 3 features that it has. Let's try this. That's first speed. That's second speed. Okay, we were in the high speed. This is what I've always loved about the Bugs, was cheap and affordable, but powerful. Some newbies didn't like the Bugs. It was too fast for them. This is a great step up after you finish playing around with those SEMA X8s and the SEMA X5s and stuff. In fact, you know, you guys, you can bind this to the jumper, but for this flight, I chose to go back to the stock transmitter. I like that one feature that when she starts getting out of range, she'll beep. You can probably program your jumper to do that, but it's a lot of work and research to find out how to do it. I fly my Red Bugs 3, which has an AIO built in the nose. I fly that with the jumper and my goggles. So it tells you right there. That's only 2 of them, guys. I got about 5 of these birds. I got the blue one, the white one. I think I got another OG original in the closet. I forgot what color it is. It's probably red. Like I vowed in the beginning that I will have me a Bugs way after they stop making them. I'm gonna still have me a Bugs in my collections. Probably 10 years from now, I'll be doing the 10-year anniversary video of the Bugs 3. Even MJX couldn't top this thing. They kept coming out with variations of it. The Bugs 3H and the Bugs 3 Pro, and I'm like, will you stop insulting me with that bullshit? If you can still find one of these guys, one time the prices dropped all the way down to like $67. With a price like that, you should have a closet like mine. got like 2 or 3 of them stashed away. I have 2 that I fly. I think I got like 4 stashed away, so that is super cool. I have never loved a drone as much as I love this bird. It's actually a hobby class bird. What made it so difficult to deviate is MJX. She's beeping. That battery is old and weak. MJX was not a company that gladly shares their protocol, or they were using some old technology protocol that it took guys a long time to crack the code and to deviate this thing. Okay, girl, go ahead, shut it down. Let's stop. Oh man, that light's not blinking. I'm not sure if we were recording or not, guys. If not, I apologize for that. Maybe I'll fly it later today with a fresh battery. I only brought 1 battery with me right now, but I think the hat cam's going to capture everything we wanted to see. I did wanted to, you know, test shooting some high-def video from the Bugs 3 and captured a couple of guys who were in the middle of the lake on kayaks. Anyway, guys, there you have it. I should be recertified as a pilot now, guys. We used to say, hey, if you if you haven't flown in so many days, we start taking feathers out of your wings. It's your boy DJ Soulforce. Wow! I'm out of here.
Wow.